This is one of the very portable power adapter, especially when you travel a lot across different geographies. It support all these three regions, so that means it will cover most of your needs. So if you are traveling to UK, you just shift it to UK and pull this out. So now it will fit into UK socket. If you are traveling to other part of Europe, just switch it to Europe, and you can open this and connect it to your European socket. If you are traveling to US or Australia, you just push it to, okay, this is for the UK. Europe, this one is for Europe. And when you are traveling to USA, just push this out and this will work for your USA and Australia socket. Okay, this one is the output. So if you look at the design, it is beautifully designed in such a way that on your adapter, all your input cable will fit here. So whether that is for the US or Europe or in any other region, it will just insert and fit well here. Also, if you see this side, it has two USB output, 2100 milliampere with 5 volt. And if you're looking at what would be the price of this, so here the price is mentioned that you will have to clear Facebook interview to get this. Each of the side of this adapter is beautifully utilized, so none of the side is unused. So see, all this side, the first side has toggle switch to switch between the different geography. This side has the input for UK, this has input for Europe, this has input for US, Australia, this has output for all those region, this has output for USB,